Let me ask you something. If you could go back 10 years and give your younger self one financial tip, what would it be? Now, imagine this. You wake up at 35, open your bank account, and your future self just stares back at you like, bro, we really spent $300 on food delivery again? Yeah, that's not a nightmare. That's just called not learning finance in your 20s. And today, we're fixing that. Because in the Squirrel Kingdom, we don't just earn money, we squirrel it away. Welcome to Squirrel Away Savings, where we turn confusing money stuff into something even a squirrel could understand. And today, we're talking about financial mistakes in your 20s that quietly destroy your future net worth. While you're busy thinking, I'll figure it out later. Spoiler, later shows up faster than you think, and it usually charges interest. Mistake number 1. Let's start with the classic. I'll invest when I make more money. Sounds reasonable, right? Wrong. That's like saying I'll start planting trees when I already have a forest. The truth is, investing isn't about how much you start with, it's about how early you start. Because time is one thing you cannot earn back. Meanwhile, Bradley over here is like, nah, I'll start investing when I'm rich. Bradley also thinks lottery tickets are a retirement plan. Even $50 a month in your 20s can outperform someone who starts way later with way more money. So yeah, waiting doesn't just delay you, it quietly costs you a future you can't see yet. Mistake number 2. You get your first raise, feels amazing, you think, I deserve a little upgrade. Then suddenly, a better apartment, a nicer car, more DoorDash, somehow you have $0 left at the end of the month. This is called lifestyle inflation. Or as squirrels call it, why do I still feel broke even though I'm eating more acorns? Bradley's version? Bradley just got a $200 raise and immediately upgraded to a premium nut subscription box, gold-plated bird feeder, limited edition sunglasses for squirrels. If your spending rises at the same speed as your income, you don't become wealthier, you just become more expensive to be you. Mistake number 3, ignoring debt because minimum payments are fine. Debt is sneaky. It doesn't feel urgent until it is. Credit cards especially love to whisper, you don't need to pay me off, just a little payment is fine. Meanwhile, interest is in the background like, I'll take 20% of your future acorns, thanks. Bradley once said, if I ignore it, it's basically not real. That's not how reality works, Bradley. Debt doesn't disappear, it grows, quietly, patiently, like a horror movie, but for your wallet. Mistake number 4, buying things to feel rich. This is a big one. A lot of people try to look financially successful before they are financially successful. New clothes, expensive tech, fancy car payments. But here's the truth. Real wealth is quiet. It's the squirrel in the corner with 10,000 acorns nobody sees. Bradley, meanwhile, is out here. I may have $12 in my account, but look at my lifestyle. If your money is going into appearances instead of assets, you're not building wealth. You're just renting the illusion of it. Mistake number 5, not tracking your money at all. Imagine trying to fill a bucket with a hole in it, but you refuse to look at where the water is going. That's most people's finances. I spend money just disappears. Bradley checks his account once a month and reacts like, wait, I was supposed to have more than this. If you don't track, you can't control it. And if you can't control it, it controls you. Mistake number 6, thinking small daily spending doesn't matter. This $6 coffee doesn't matter, this $12 snack doesn't matter, this $20 delivery fee doesn't matter. Individually? Sure. Together? That's a vacation. That's investing money. That's freedom money. Bradley once said, it's just $10. How bad could it be? The truth is, we don't go broke from one big mistake. We go broke from 1,000 tiny, it doesn't matter moments. Here's the thing. Your 20s aren't about being perfect with money. They're about building direction. Because every choice you make is either building future security or renting present comfort at a hidden cost. And look, we all have a little Bradley in us. The impulsive one, the I'll figure it out later one. But the goal isn't to eliminate Bradley. It's to make sure Scout is the one in charge. So if you made it this far, you're already ahead of most squirrels in the forest. And remember, we don't just earn money here, we squirrel it away. So I'll see you in the next one. Good job saving, Scout.